Hello everyone, I'm AD-Link Connected Factory Business Center Team Engineer Jytek. Today I'll introduce the AD-Link Technology Machine Conditioning Monitoring Module MCM 204. MCM 204 combines the best of edge computing with high-precision data acquisition DAC. It has a simple layout and supports distributed edge computing and remote configuration. Next, we'll demonstrate MCM 204 operation. First, I'll use these two MCM 204 modules to measure the vibration data of the compressor and motor. And then I'll go ahead and use this laptop to display the collected data. First, connect the MCM 204 to the laptop with an Ethernet cable. The MCM 204 supports daisy chaining, so you can connect multiple units for easy, large-scale deployment over wireless networks. The MCM 204 provides a web console, so users can remotely configure the device using a web browser. First, configure the basic settings through the web console. Go to the device settings screen. Enter the sample rate and data count, and then select the channel you want to enable and the required data type. After saving the settings, the MCM 204 will start capturing data. Next, use a utility written in C# to obtain and present data through the REST API. Enter the IP locations of the two units and then click Connect. The relevant information for each MCM 204 will appear, such as serial number and IP address. Then click Start to begin obtaining data. Connect the sensor to capture the vibration data of the motor and air compressor. The blue curve is the vibration data of the air compressor, and the green curve is the vibration data of the motor. On the screen, we can see three data types: voltage, FFT, and overall value. You can also use your own algorithm with the MCM 204 and collect the results after calculation. Now we'll change the rotation speed of the motor. When the rotation speed increases, we can see that the OA value of the green curve rises. When the rotation speed is reduced, the OA value will also decrease. Therefore, the MCM 204 can help factory staff quickly judge whether mechanical equipment is operating abnormally and address any issues to prevent losses in production. For added convenience, the MCM 204 provides multiple data transmission methods, including REST API, TCP sockets, and Modbus TCP. You can also back up data using a USB flash drive. To summarize, the MCM 204 is an edge DAC that integrates data collection, edge computing capabilities, and communication networking. Features include high-precision, high-sampling rate data acquisition, simple cabling, remote management, and multiple communication protocols and data types. The MCM 204 is perfect for remote, real-time equipment monitoring. To learn more about the MCM 204, contact AD-Link Technology.